A massive crack in the ground that's estimated to be up to 50 feet deep has opened up in Kenya seemingly overnight.
Today, we're peeling back the curtains on an ominous event that's keeping NASA's top scientists up at night. Africa has cracked open the Earth, and what's unfolding is nothing short of terrifying. Buckle up as we delve into this seismic mystery that has the world's attention. Let's explore the chilling details, shall we? For countless years, Africa has captivated our imaginations with its rich diversity of tribes, vast wildlife, and abundant mineral resources. However, it now offers something even more intriguing, a geological marvel that defies our expectations. The continent is undergoing a profound transformation, one that no one ever anticipated. It is cracking and breaking apart.
Is made once again as Africa splits into two continents.
This monumental geological event began with the appearance of a colossal crack in Kenya back in 2018. What makes this development even more bewildering is that it stems from a phenomenon deep beneath the Earth's surface, the continental rift. The East African Rift, stretching over 6,000 kilometers from the Red Sea in the north to Mozambique in the south, is the stage for this extraordinary act of tectonic theater. Here, the Somalian tectonic plate is pulling away from the Nubian tectonic plate, which constitutes the larger, older part of our planet. This separation began centuries ago, and its effects are now manifesting on the surface. But what truly intrigues scientists is the enigmatic relationship between this colossal crack and a volcanic eruption that occurred concurrently. In Ethiopia, the Dabahu volcano erupted, yet the magma did not flow out as expected. Instead, it was diverted underground into the continental rift. As it cooled and solidified underground, it ruptured the surface, giving birth to a deep and expansive crack, stretching nearly 500 meters in length. However, this was only part of the story. Geologists delved deeper into this geological enigma, uncovering its ties to the broader African rift system. Over the years, this crack has continued to expand, breaking records in both length and depth. To truly grasp this phenomenon, we must explore the complex world of tectonic plates and continental rifts. The Earth's crust is divided into massive rock slabs known as tectonic plates, which collectively make up the surface of our planet. These plates come in various sizes and thicknesses, with some spanning hundreds of thousands of kilometers across. The largest tectonic plates on Earth, such as the Pacific and Antarctic plates, exert tremendous influence on our planet's geological dynamics. One crucial aspect of these plates is their motion. Tectonic boundaries, where the plates interact and move relative to each other. These boundaries, although hidden beneath the oceans, play a pivotal role in shaping our planet. Tectonic plates move gradually, at speeds ranging from 2 to 5 centimeters per year, driven by mysterious forces generated deep within the Earth's core. One such force is believed to arise from convective currents fueled by heat from radioactive processes within the planet's core. While the precise mechanisms behind plate movement remain a scientific puzzle, the consequences are evident as these colossal slabs shift and interact with one another. In some cases, this motion results in the phenomenon known as rifting, a rupture in a continental tectonic plate. Rifting occurs when tectonic plates thin out, leading to the thinning of the Earth's crust in the affected region. This process can remain invisible at the surface, but volcanic and seismic activities often reveal its existence, as tremors and volcanic eruptions cause the hidden cracks to manifest on the surface. The monumental cracks that are forming in Africa are a visible manifestation of this ongoing process. They serve as undeniable evidence that the African continent is undergoing a profound transformation as it gradually splits apart. While the first instance of this phenomenon was observed in Ethiopia in 2005, the crack that emerged in Kenya in 2018 and continues to expand in 2023 underscores the continent's remarkable geological journey.
In Kenya, it cleared away what essentially was volcanic ash, which is a lot softer than normal rock, and that is how it came to be revealed.
The crack, a colossal fissure measuring approximately 15 meters deep and 15 meters wide, first made its dramatic appearance in Ethiopia, where a volcanic eruption brought it to the surface. However, in the case of Kenya, this enigmatic crevice seemed to materialize out of thin air, leaving locals bewildered. It's an unmistakable sign that beneath the Earth's surface, immense tectonic forces are at play, silently shaping the continent. Fast forward to 2023, and this colossal crack has continued its relentless expansion. It now boldly intersects the Narok motorway in Nairobi, prompting concerned locals to take matters into their own hands, attempting to fill it with concrete. Yet, as they grapple with this geological enigma, the experts at NASA understand a sobering truth. Their efforts won't alter the inevitable course set by the rift process. Beneath our very feet, the African continent is undergoing a remarkable transformation, cleaved into two distinct parts, the Somali and Nubian plates. This colossal rift valley, forged by the relentless forces of tectonic motion, is gradually widening and extending. It is a testament to the Earth's ever-changing landscape and a reminder of the geological processes that have shaped our world for eons. This monumental event unfolding in Africa isn't an isolated incident. It's a part of the planet's intricate history. The very continents we stand upon today emerged from a similar dance of continental rifts and breakups. For instance, the South Atlantic Ocean was born from the separation of a once unified landmass that held South America and Africa together around 138 million years ago. If you examine their coastlines, you'll notice a fascinating puzzle-like fit. Travel further back in time, approximately 300 million years ago, and you'd find a vastly different Earth. It bore no resemblance to the continents and oceans we recognize today. There existed a single colossal supercontinent, aptly named Pangaea, surrounded by one immense ocean, Panthalassa. Over the ages, the relentless heat from the Earth's core instigated the formation of rifts, cleaving Pangaea into the 7 continents we now know. Skeptics may question this notion of continents once coalescing into a singular landmass, yet the evidence supporting this concept is compelling. Notably, the striking similarity in the coastlines of adjacent continents, despite the wear and tear of millennia, serves as a tangible reminder of our planet's dynamic history. When Earth's continents were still coming together, something remarkable happened. Imagine this. As the continents were forming, their edges fit together like pieces of a giant puzzle. This is a fascinating clue that suggests there was once a huge supercontinent, a discovery that surprises geologists and makes us curious about Earth's mysterious past. If we look at our current geological records, we find something fascinating. Think about the coal deposits deep under the ground in Pennsylvania, USA. They are very similar to ones found in the UK and Germany. This suggests that North America and Europe used to be connected, not separate like they are today. But the story doesn't stop there. Scientists have found the same plants and sediments in fossils on different continents. This suggests that these continents were once joined together. For example, there's the seed fern Glossopteris, whose fossils have been found on different continents, showing that these lands were once connected. But there's even more to this story. When geologists carefully study the composition of mountain ranges around the world, they find something amazing. Mountains like the Appalachian Mountains in the US and the Atlas Mountains in Africa have the same geological makeup. They were once part of a huge continent called Central Pangaea Mountains. The name Pangaea itself sounds grand. It comes from 2 Greek words, pan, meaning all, and Gaia, meaning earth. Together, they paint a picture of Earth as one big landmass. It took nature around 200 million years to break this massive continent into the continents we have today. But even during Pangaea's time, there were islands and large areas that would eventually become Asia as we know it today, showing how Earth has changed over time. Now, let's jump ahead to a different time, around 200 to 251 million years ago. Enter Gondwanaland, another supercontinent. As Pangaea broke apart, Gondwanaland formed, including lands we now call Africa, South America, Australia, Antarctica, and India. At the same time, Laurasia formed, containing North America, Europe, and Asia. This complex dance of continents led to the creation of the Neotethys Ocean. Smaller islands moved around, bumping into Gondwanaland through a process called accretion. About 150 million years ago, even Gondwanaland split into separate continents. Then around 30 million years later, Laurasia split into Eurasia and North America, with Europe separating from Asia about 60 million years ago. Now, Earth's ongoing story takes us to another continent shift, happening in Eastern Africa. This shift is caused by tectonic forces, with the Earth always moving and changing. Scientists are working hard to understand the secrets hidden in the Earth's crust as it breaks apart and comes together. But there's more to this captivating story. Many scientists believe that Earth's supercontinent cycle isn't finished. Every 700 million years or so, they think Earth may create a new supercontinent. For example, the Australian continent has been slowly moving closer to Asia for centuries, setting the stage for a big reunion. But this process takes thousands, even millions of years to happen. In our time, there's the Eastern African Rift, a fascinating tectonic event grabbing the world's attention. Geophysicists are especially interested in the African superswell, a hot mantle plume that's hotter than usual. It's thought to be a key player in forming the Rift Valley in Eastern Africa. This plume not only shapes the rift but also raises the land, creating the striking landscapes of southern and East African plateaus. The Rift Valley in Eastern Africa is still growing, watched closely by scientists. It won't be long before this young rift system becomes mature and leads to a new ocean. As the valley deepens and widens, it makes us wonder, what's the next chapter in Earth's geological story? And how will it change our world, leaving its mark on our planet's history? In the Eastern African Rift, an astonishing geological phenomenon is unfolding. This rift is widening, deepening, and growing more pronounced with each passing moment. Marked by volcanic rocks, it signals the thinning of Earth's lithosphere, pushing the planet's crust to its limits, foreshadowing a significant geological event. The entire Rift Valley floor is now covered in volcanic rocks, a clear indication of the rapid thinning of the Earth's crust. Cracks and fissures are forming, hinting at an imminent separation that will give birth to a new ocean floor. Over the course of 1 million years, this new ocean will fill the Rift Valley, forever altering Africa's geography. Envision Africa divided into two parts, a smaller mainland and a merged island comprising Ethiopia, Somalia, and the Horn of Africa. This transformation underscores the relentless power of nature. As we contemplate this monumental change, a question arises. What lies ahead for Africa when it eventually splits? First and foremost, a new ocean will emerge, reshaping Eastern Africa's climate and potentially causing flooding in some regions. Ethiopia and Uganda, situated along the geological fault line, will gain new coastlines, while the Gulf of Aden and the Red Sea will flow into the new ocean, fostering trade and prosperity in the region. As Eastern Africa continues its slow parting, we are left to marvel at the ever-changing Earth, and we are reminded of the mysteries still hidden beneath its surface. And that's it for this video. Please click the like and subscribe buttons down below if you found this interesting. To make sure you don't miss any uploads, tap the bell icon. See you in the next one.